I would like to explain how to print an Autocad plan with respect to scale. To start with, we'll go to Autocad 20. Let me make it of Autocad 27 example. Classic. Later. So what we do next now is we import an existing drawing, AutoCAD drawing I have here. Let me import one here. Okay. Let me import that. So here is the drawing file I have with me. So now I'm trying to print this drawing to scale. And how do I do that? Let me erase that. Now I want to plot this drawing to scale 1:1000. I want to plot this to ratio 1:1000 on A3 paper size. So the first thing I'll do is just draw a rectangle of any arbitrary dimension by pressing the rect command. Let me assume this is the limit first. Then the next thing you do now is you press Ctrl P. Then you select the previous plot, you select your DWG to PDF. Then I'll select A3 portrait. So the first thing you have to do here is to set this to fit to paper. Then check this box center the plot, and then you window this dimension, the rectangular dimension you just draw. You window that, and let's check the scale with respect to the fit to paper. Now I have this scale here to be in 1:091, but what I'm working towards here is the scale unit for 1:1000 is 1:1, but this has already exceed the limit for the unit, so I'm looking forward to 1:0.99 something, so that I can round everything up to 1. So that is my mission. So what do I do now? I will try and reduce the size of the rectangle. You close this, then you can press another rect command, and then try and reduce the rectangle. Your snap is stopping me. You press F3 to switch that off, and then you click okay. I'm okay here now. Good. You can now press Ctrl P again, then previous plots, then select blah blah blah, and then your E3, then your window, your fit to paper, center to plot, and your window. Now on your snap by pressing F3 bar. So I'm windowing from that edge to this edge of the new rectangle I just drew. So you click that. Now fit to paper, I still have word 1:1. Now this is the new rectangle I just draw. Now so you press Ctrl P, and then previous plot, your E3, then you window that. Let me see. Good. And fit to paper. Good. You can see that this being fit to paper, I have 1 in ratio 0.99964. So you can uncheck the box, and then you click this to round it up to 1. So once you preview, this is exactly 1 in ratio 1000 on A3 paper printed to scale. So we escape, then we can, that's all about plotting your drawing to scale. So assuming I want to plot to another scale, you reduce the rectangle or shape, then you fit to paper. Fitting to paper, you check the arbitrary scale unit you have here, then you try and manipulate your rectangle until you have the units approximately to your, what you're planning to, the scale you're planning to work with. For instance, the one we did right now, if I fit this to paper, I'm working to 1 ratio 1000, then the scale unit will be 1 in 1, then I will have 1 millimeter representing 1 unit. And then you can uncheck this box, and then you run this up to 1, and then you preview once again. So that is all about plotting to scale in any AutoCAD application. Thank you.